Welcome back to my channel. Now this is video for starting. We are starting to past backtesting. There is the many people they have no idea how to start trading and how to check how to test your strategy and backtesting. Now we are on the trading case. This is the platform. There is you check the right backtesting and your theoretical things. Okay, we are here. I am analytics around 4 p.m. 4 hour time frame. This is very biggest time from. I am going to check some small. You think it? There is the some boxes up there, but this is a liquidity zone by daytime frame, and I'm working on around 4 a.m. 1 hour and 30 minutes, but it's take a not a very long trade. That's the reason I am thinking right now. Can I shift 15 minutes to what is the problem? Because 15 minutes take some extra burden, but we have a one issue. You said that what is the issue? Issue is there is some kind of more liquidity and ideas. Okay, now let's first analyze the market. Then we are starting the strategy. We check it. Market is a sideways. Market are a sideways. The market is running around 18,038 to 7,000. Only 1,000 movement. This is the ETH. It is very fast and mover. Okay, let's start. Then think it. You check it. This is the long time frame, 1 hour time frame. Market is a uptrend, right? When market goes down, this is very important. That part, market goes down. It um, that this is destroy this level and then shut up. But market is not a easy way to go up, and we take some trades too. Okay, what is your theory said? I like said that this is acquisition go down. Yeah. Okay. We are starting to 15 minutes. Every candle pushed by the 15 minute, or this is very fast, not a slow motion. You just check it. That start. Okay. Hmm. You said that there is the level. Why are you not? You said that normally this is a Friday. Friday is not a big chance in the forex market. One thing is perfect. I'm saying don't go to Sunday to Friday. You will enjoy 2 days. This is very funny day. You just watch. You say it all month, all week. Market candle is so high, so low, but around Saturday and Sunday, market candle is so dumb. It there is not a movement. Uh, let's check it. Market goes up, then shut down. What is your theory? There is the more liquidity. Look, there is more liquidity. Market goes up. That is confirmed. We are the second thought is where what is the point the market goes up? Okay, you check it. We find out the where we take the entry. I think this point. You think this is the good status? Market goes up and down, then take trade. There is many situations that it's around Sunday 6:30. We are waiting. Okay, now come small time frame. Okay, let's check. Hmm, this is good. You look that there is some liquidity and just take a trade. This is very easy to process. First, you mark down to the quantity 1797 1,796 and stop loss 1,781. Really, 96 and 81. This is very fantastic. Okay, it's around 30 minutes time frame. We are goes and we take buy trade, not a market order. Uh, Around 7096. 7096. Okay. We are take a profit around loss 790, no, 780, almost 16 point. Risk is 20% because this is my account is 5,000. That's the reason I will take only 20%, $20 risk. Because we are trade in the some market, there is only 0.1 stop loss. Our target almost 1817. 1870. Let's check it. Order 19. We are focusing on 16. Yes. Now we are ready to take trade. What we do? Just wait. Just wait. There is some reason market goes down and goes up, but we have our opinion. You said it. Why are you not selling this point? Why are you waiting for that good trade? There is some reason I said that okay, I'm not waiting there because we have no idea. Market goes up and go down. La. Let's take stop loss. Wow. Hmm. This is bad. My first trade is colors. So bad. No. Wait. Let's start and think. Sunday. Oh, it's Sunday. Okay. Zone is not working. Cut it. Just wait. There is our focus only for buying, not going to sell. Our next idea point is this. Hey, this is not good. We are just not asking somebody to take a trade, whatever you want. Yeah, this is right. Just wait and watch. It's around Monday. Market is happen good. What the next plan? Our liquidity is swipe out. We are coming to the 4 hour. Hmm. But you say that why are you not selling market? Because we have no option to buy and sell. Okay, guys, let's take another trade. We planning to entry 7042, but it not so much say 742, 720, 742. Wait a second. We take another long trade. Uh, its limit 742. Take stop loss 1720. Take profit. Same 1870. This is some risk reward ratio 60. This is fixed. We take almost 100 trade. Wait and watch. Shut up. Shut up. What do you think? What's the plan of market? Why are you? I'm here. Because market goes up this point. When I have a one idea only. It's take my trade, stop loss, and the goes up. Just wait and watch. You said it. Why are you working on 4 hours? Because this is very long time trade. Mm, wow. Mm. Market creates some liquidity area. You have any idea why a market should shoot up? Goes up. Wait a second. Shut up. Goes up. It's for a plan. Hmm. I think it's right. You have a they take a good trade, but why? Because of liquidity. What is your next step? I'm ready to buy, but there is no point to I will buy because I have a this whole point down. Okay, shut up, shut up, shut. We are right. Market goes up. Okay, we just wait and watch something bigger. You're waiting. Hey, tell us why are you waiting? Somebody think because good trade take time. What is your situation? It's around Wednesday. You take long and short. I think we go to the short. Why market is so slow? Yeah, because coming some news. Shut up, there. Market is shut down. That is good point. Okay, now we take next trade 90 50 because this is a very fantastic way. You'd say that there is a lot of difference, right? You have an idea, market goes up. You have an option. There is a chance market goes up and then come. But why are you not market shell and buy? Because there is no risk and rewards. Look, market go up is directly, it's the very easy way. But there is some situation, market is shut down. What is your next plan? Buy here. Look, okay, I will buy. Okay, so my stop loss is around 80, 15 point. 15 point, 15 point, 15 point. I will buy 80, 80, 15 points, 90s, 60, and $85. No, I need only 60. Okay, let's start. Mm, mm, mm. What do you think? They take stop loss. Yeah. What is the problem? What is the problem right now? I have no idea. So how to implement this question? Hey, wait, this point. Wait for one candle. Just one candle. It's take long time, but you wait just one candle. Okay. This is your entry point. Oh, you come up. This time you buy, take a stop loss. It's simple. 80-51 and shut up. Buy 80-51. 9-16. Around I take 240. Two trades, right? Yeah. Hey, wait a second. Oh, this trade not activate right now. Then cut and delete. Okay. This is good point and we are start just. Okay, they are lost, right, lost, right, lost, right. Oh shit, to Thursday. I will take very long trade. That's the reason I will save, don't trade long time. Mm, mm, mm. You have no option, but there is a more option. You think it. You look this, the break, come, check, and goes up and down. Just wait. Or you listen this. We are entry on 6 April, right? Yeah, right. We are entry on 6 April. Shut up. Again, take stop loss. What is the problem? We are not connected. Good. Okay, we end this session there. We are take team trade in back to back stop loss. Okay, bye guys. We meet later in our video.